You're on video. There's your ride. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. That's Miss Glenda. That's our driver.
I'm getting in that limo right now.
You deserve it, Mommy. You the backbone of this family, dog. Come on. You ride like a queen today.
Kid, get some tissue.
Come on, help her to the car, Noah and Zoe.
Oh, dear.
Look, Solid, we going to get in the big car. Look. Pick your seat. Mother's Day 2014.
Okay.